Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a very special day, as you can see by my hair. I'm getting locks. Tell us the process.
Okay, so we took out her locks for one. And we're gonna start those over.
Yes.
And we're gonna lighten her hair up a little bit, bring the color out a little more. We're gonna give her a little detox, washing everything, and get started.
Let's go. Purple shampoo is in there now, and we're just waiting a little bit. Okay, I might order a pizza because I'm kind of hungry. And now we're about to wash. We're gonna do it. We're on the last one. He's gonna style it, and then it's gonna be done. And yeah, so stay tuned. We're done! It's finished! Thank y'all so much for tuning in on the start of my lock journey. Stay tuned for, I guess, my progress. Yeah, anything you want to say?
Not really.
Alrighty.
I'm tired.
Okay, well, thank you. Goodbye, Loki. Bye. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. Be sure to stay awesome by subscribing to my channel. I'll see you later. Peace out.